How to change voice in ChatGPT. Hello everybody, in order to do so, you may follow up the simple steps. So for that, you may open up your ChatGPT application. And your application should be updated to the latest version first in order to have that feature. Once you are logged in your ChatGPT, you should be finding this interface. Now from here, you may tap on the two horizontal lines at the top left corner. And then after tapping on it, you may go over and then look out for your name in the bottom left corner. Tap on it. Once you tap on it, you will be finding these options. Now from the given options, you may locate up the option called voice. And after tapping on voice, we have this option of voice. So go ahead and tap on it. And once you tap on it, we have different AI version of voices. For example, Maple, who is very cheerful and candid. Similarly, we have these different options about 10. You can go ahead and choose up any of the options. I would like to choose this Cove person and tap on done. Once that is done, once you've changed your voice, you can use ChatGPT. For example, we have this microphone icon at the very bottom right corner of your screen. You can tap on it and have a conversation voice to voice with ChatGPT. So that's it for now. You may follow this method in order to do so. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you on the next one.